leaders, members of our great party, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor and solemn privilege to address you at this special delegates convention convened at a defining moment in the life of our party. We gather under unique and weighty circumstances, conscious of the responsibility before us and mindful of the history that has brought us here. 5 months ago, we suffered a loss so profound that many among us are still struggling to come to terms with it. We lost the one leader who for 2 decades had embodied the soul, the courage, and the direction of this movement. Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Baba, did not simply lead ODM. He gave it character, purpose, and staying power. He taught us that politics must always be anchored in principle, that leadership must be tested by sacrifice, and that the struggle for justice is never in vain. Yet even in mourning, we must hear the deeper call of this moment. We are here because the journey did not end with him. We are here because the cause he carried remains alive. We are here because the dream he believed in for Kenya still demands men and women of courage, of discipline and conviction. In his memory and in honor of all those who walked this journey before us, we must now put our house in order, steady ourselves, and prepare for the road ahead. Baba left us a party forged in sacrifice and tempered in struggle. He left us a party that has known both triumph and disappointment, yet refused to retreat. He left us a party built on resilience, on diversity, on inclusion, and the belief that hopes of ordinary Kenyans matter. He taught us that strength does not lie in noise, nor in division, but in unity of purpose and clarity of mission. That is why this moment calls for maturity. This is not a time for blame. It is not a time for wars. It is not a time for petty ego contests. It is a time for unity. It is a time for reflection. It is a time to demonstrate that we land at the feet of a great teacher. If we truly honor Baba, then we must show it not only in words, but in our conduct, our discipline, our willingness to put the movement above self. In his long journey with our party and with our country, Baba taught us patriotism. He taught us sacrifice. He taught us tolerance. He taught us compromise. He taught us courage. But perhaps above all, he taught us focus. He taught us to keep our eyes on the bigger picture. He taught us not to be distracted by passing provocation, however glittering. He taught us to listen, to respect one another, and to remain anchored in the cause, especially when the pressure is greatest. And what are the values that must continue to define us? ODM must remain the party of change and transformation. We must remain defenders of devolution and of good governance. We must continue to stand for inclusion, constitutionalism, rule of law, and respect for human rights. As we look ahead, we know that our party must engage others and must prepare for the future with wisdom and clarity. But before we negotiate with others, we must find coherence within ourselves. Before we speak as a party to the nation, we must speak honestly to one another. Before we ask Kenyans to trust us with the next chapter, we must show that we are united, focused, and ready. Let us remember the wisdom he left us with. That battle is often hardest when victory is nearest. That is why this is not the hour to lose faith. It is the hour to gather strength. It is not the hour to scatter. It is the hour to close ranks. It is not the hour to doubt our purpose. It is the hour to renew it. Canaan is visible from here. The task before us is to prepare our people, strengthen our house, and move forward with discipline, courage, and hope. Let us be guided by unity. Let us be steadied by faith. Let us be worthy of the legacy we inherited. And let us move into the future with confidence that if we remain focused, faithful to our ideals, we shall complete our journey together. That is my statement as chair, as now we go into the agenda. I would now like to invite let us have a short interlude of entertainment as I've been advised. Please,
Malenga wa Kilifi.
Hang on, DJ. Director of Elections and the National Elections Coordinating Committee, you will be coming next to take us through the next phase of the program. Interlude.
Asante. Tumkaribishe Malenga wa Kilifi aje atuganie shairi moja katika awamu hii ya tumbuizo fupi. Karibu.
Basi wageni wetu wa heshima walioko hapa mbele